Hello and good evening to Wednesday Night Football, and it's right, we are inside and here's the view. We've got terrible music. The music's actually improved now. The last 2 or 3 songs have been absolutely dreadful. It's been that bad, my microphone has decided it doesn't want to work. Hopefully you're picking up this sound. But yeah, it's a Football League stadium, and with Football League stadiums come Football League pricing. £5 a party car, £9.50 for some chips, a tea and a bottle of cola. So yeah, it really is rip-off Football League prices. So not the non-league prices we've experienced all season. So there we go. It is, however, a one-off game. It's a cup final. Cradley Town are from Hales Owen. They are in the Midweek Football League Division 1. They finished 4th in the league. I'm not sure how they got in the playoffs, I'll be honest. I've not looked that far. But yeah, they finished 86 points behind Nuneaton's 101. So there's a bit of a gap between the two teams points-wise. And it'll be interesting to see how it gets tonight. I think it's going to be a good game. It's going to be fairly close. Both teams are going to be fairly evenly matched. And it's going to be who performs on the night. So good luck to both teams. My first view of Cradley Town. The ticket I bought is actually in the Cradley Town end. So currently I'm sat here at the back of the stand. I'm actually due to sit right at the front, up near the halfway line. So it might be that I move there. We'll just see how populated the stand gets. It might be that I sit back here and record from the back. It might be a better view. Although, because we got the covered seating everywhere, we have these wonderful restricted view pillars. So they are there and thereabouts. It appears that we have a couple of refreshment stalls open and a couple of bars. So one for each set of fans. There's a fair amount of Nuneaton fans in already, not so much for Cradley Town. So certainly going to be interesting to see what the attendance is like. I think we've still got another half hour, 45 minutes before kick-off at the moment. On the pitch, we have Nuneaton Town players just going through their warm-up. No sign yet of Cradley Town. And that's it. We'll see you at kick-off. Done here. He's not going to need the stretcher. It's just whether he's able to carry on or walk off. Lots of concern there. Wiggling fingers. It's not saying it isn't passing, it's just getting the ball forward, and there was a mistake between the defence and the substitute goalkeeper, which is Louis Baker, forward from Nuneaton, and it was left with an open goal, which he couldn't and didn't miss. So yeah, 1-0, that was after about 25 minutes. Like I say, it's 37 on the clock now, and we're going to have at least 10 minutes of added on time. Time then, and Cradley Town deservedly lead 1-0. They scored fairly early on. It was a mistake at the back from Nuneaton. The defender was trying to play it back to the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper is a substitute goalkeeper, so not fully experienced at the position, and he basically slipped, allowed an open goal. So the number 7 just ran it in, taps it into the empty net, 1-0. It was an early lead, and to be honest, it's been a fairly even game. Nuneaton knocking the ball around, occasionally going a bit longer, and when they do that, they seem to be getting a little bit of joy. There's a few mistakes from the Cradley defence, where the ball's either been let through or whatever, and Nuneaton haven't been able to capitalise. Cradley themselves have had a couple of other attempts on goal. There was an early one where the Nuneaton keeper came out bravely, dived at the feet of the forward, and got an injury. I think it's to his face. We've had some fairly close-up shots from my camera, and there's a lot of red around his face, so I think there must have been some kind of cut, and it was just the residue of the blood around his face. So that resulted in about a 10-minute delay, but the ref only added 7 minutes on. So with the game kicking off 20 minutes late anyway, it was one thankful bit for me with my long journey back. So we'll see what the second half brings. I don't think it's going to finish 1-0. I'm sure there's going to be goals in the second half, and we'll see who gets crowned champions of this Midweek Floodlit Cup. 70th minute, just coming up to 71st, and it remains 1-0 to Cradley Town. I don't know how. Cradley have had 2 excellent opportunities in the second half. And Louis Baker certainly saved the second one. The first one, I think he got attached to it, I can't quite remember. At the other end, Nuneaton have had one real attack, decent cross came over, and the forward met it, hit the bar and went over. That has been their only real effort in this game, really. So, Cradley just making a sub. So Cradley well on top here, and they might rue some of these missed chances if they don't take another one soon.
Midweek Floodlit Cup champions, Cradley Town. Your winners of the Midweek Floodlit Cup. Cradley Town!
Right, there we have it. It's finished 1-0. I predicted loads of goals in the second half, didn't I? And to be fair, there should have been some. But it didn't. It remained 1-0. So the only goal of the game was scored by Cradley in the first half. It was a mistake by the Nuneaton defence. And to be fair, I'd say Cradley were well deserved this win tonight. They were the better team on the night. They had 2 or 3 chances in that second half as well to really extend the lead, but failed to hit the back of the net. Nuneaton had 1 or 2 chances, certainly later on. They're putting a lot of pressure on, and yeah, it wasn't their night. So Cradley Town are the Floodlit champions. They're going to go home tonight and celebrate. It's been a fine season for both teams, and I'm sure they'll both celebrate. Right, thanks for watching. I'm not sure where I am on Saturday, but I will be picking up a game, and hopefully you can join me for that. Right, until then, thanks for watching. Ta-da.
Hello.